Hi there, Nancy Reeves here, your fundraising coach. I was talking with a fundraiser who knows the ropes in securing large gifts. She knows what it takes and is committed to fundraising efforts at her nonprofit. She's a rock star, actually. But here's the problem. Often she gets sidetracked and does not tackle the tasks she knows must happen, especially if there's any chance of her bringing in the large gifts she's working on. She has ideal potential donors, but she's not following up, not stopping to have meaningful conversations, and not being creative in her approaches. She knows this. Does any of this sound familiar? I bet it does. Sometimes we get off track. We know what to do. We just get distracted, start doubting ourselves, and then hesitate to move forward. As fundraisers, we have all been there. So what's the solution? My first thought is to find an accountability partner. It could be your boss, another staff member, or a board member if you are a one-person shop. Scheduling weekly meetings in which goals are shared is powerful. It keeps you focused and you're more likely to get important tasks done. There's energy when you come together and collaborate and share what's planned for the week. Even better, build in time at the beginning of each meeting to report what was accomplished the previous week. Create a system like this if you have not already and make it a part of your culture. You can do this. Don't beat yourself up when things fall off your task list. We all get off track. Just be sure to create a process that includes an accountability partner. Now, for those just starting out with fundraising or who have been at it a while, I have an upcoming webinar called The 5 Mistakes That Will Crush Your Fundraising Efforts. We're going to talk about what is holding you back from raising more money. I want to help you build confidence and get to your highest level of fundraising. Click here or go to fundraisingmaximize.com to get all the details and get signed up. That's fundraisingmaximize.com. You don't want to miss it. I can't wait to see you there.